I'm excited to show you this 3-foot Christmas tree that I got from Yaheetech. This tree comes in a box just like this, and it is all compressed together. So all you have to do is open it up and fluff it out to make it look like a beautiful tree. And it also comes with a little instruction booklet and then a cover for the base. This tree already has a burlap cover on the base. And if you'd like to make it red, they also include this. This tree is pre-lit. It has LED lights on it. So the first thing we're going to do is just fluff out the tree very simply like this. Spread out all the branches. I love the little berries. They make it look so cute. And as you can see, there is a little battery pack on the bottom for your lights. I'm going to fluff out the tree and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Once you get the tree fluffed up, just take this felt piece and place it on the floor. Put your tree on the top, and then you can wrap it around and tie it with the enclosed ribbon. This tree requires 3 AA batteries that you can insert into this battery pack right here by just opening the little door and inserting the batteries inside here. This is a perfect Christmas tree for small spaces. I just really love it, and I think you will too.